Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum. And today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive. It's at a 1971 Chevrolet C10. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click that bell icon to turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on a video and you don't miss out on a car of your dreams. Now the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is for you to virtually get inside the driver's seat, and so you get a sense of how this goes down the road. For all additional information, when we're done here, going over to volocars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures there. We have the undercarriage, inside, outside, the selling price, the most detailed write-up that we can actually have. Our goal is to pass on as much information to you about this vehicle, so when you give us a call wanting to make a purchase, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, everything goes smooth. Let's go ahead and jump in. The interior looks great. Real comfortable seat here. Has your cup holder, which is a nice bonus. Seat belt right here. Has power windows. Let's see, the CD player, we'll start her up. She starts right up. Has your cluster gauge up here, your speedometer, battery, engine temp, fuel, oil pressure, everything there. Tachometer in the middle. An updated steering wheel, which is in really great shape. Let's see here, the stereo. Stereo system looks, it sounds really great. The fan here. Hear the fan kicking on. So yeah, I'm looking inside. Everything looks really well maintained. Looks beautiful in here. Like I said, comfortable. I'm not finding anything that I don't love about this. This is going to be the first time myself or anyone from the shop gets a chance to take this out, so you and I are experiencing everything first time together. And if we run into any hiccups when we get it back in the shop, we'll go ahead and address that. So I'm going to start off just getting a hang for it, and I'll open up a little bit towards the end of the video. Let's go for a ride. Oh, it even has that tilt wheel. Brakes feel nice, the steering, same thing, real easy to steer so far. Nice tight steering as well. Accelerator feels good. Every now and then you'll have some that have some play in it, but this one's nice and tight. See the speedo working, tachometer's working. What a real smooth ride. So far, I'm not hearing any rattle. Wow, I didn't hear one rattle, squeak, or anything. I'm excited to get on this. I don't have a single complaint about anything with this truck so far. shift super smooth. Just everything about this is just nice and easy, and it feels like a brand new truck while I'm driving this. I like the posture when I'm sitting up here. You're sitting up a little high. I don't know, just everything about this just feels incredible. Roll up the window. Just have the side vents open. But I'm not hearing any air or anything from the windows. The brakes feel awesome. See, am I gonna make it? I am. Good turning radius. Trying to give a little bit of space between us there. All right, let's see what she can do. Plenty of power. This baby is a blast to drive. It's beautiful. I can't find one thing that I don't love about this truck. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you felt the same way. Like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to go on over to volocars.com. Check this baby out in the photo room, read everything up on it, do your due diligence, investigate it, and then give our sales team a call. As always, I appreciate you.